Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Abby. Happy birthday to you.
It's your birthday.
Did you get a shot of the cake yet?
I got a good shot of cake.
Here we go. Oh. Oh, I can't blow it out. Yay! All right. Let's sit up here in your chair and we'll get you some cake. Oh, yummy.
She like it?
What you think?
Yeah, y'all gonna
Pretty
have
good
some?
stuff. It's pretty good stuff.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's all right.
No, I don't think I'm supposed to have this. It's sweet.
It's too good and sweet.
Mm-hmm. Yummy.
Smacking them lips.
It makes no sense when you try something new and
Good
different.
finger.
Well, that's all right.
It's good. And y'all gonna have some? Pretty good, huh?
Pretty good.
That'll be a big handful.
That'd give you a lot of energy. You can get in a lot of trouble. Get in a lot of trouble for that.
They get a bath or they get
Oh, we got it on us now, don't we? Am I too far away?
Well, you can zoom it.
Get off my thumb.
Abby,
I need a drink now.
There you go.
Blinking.
There you go. It's good.
That's good, isn't it?
Hey, Abby, let me see that. I didn't get all the gooey.
Boy, you're just getting the icing, aren't you? That's the best part.
Yeah, that's the best part.
There it is.
alright.
So y'all sure are making a big deal about me eating.
It's not hard.
And I was too far away and I didn't zoom it right.
I was in, yeah, he wasn't in it at all.
Oh, yeah. You want some of the cake part? Cake's good too.
Didn't zoom it.
There you go. Oh my.
Oh, no. That went down your dress. Woo.
We like cake, don't we?
I don't know if she got into the cake part.
It's just so icing.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Good girl. That's messy, isn't it?
Look here, Abby.
Oh,
Abby.
there you go.
Abby.
That's it, James.
That's fun.
Yum, yum.
Now, there's what I needed right there.
Oh, Daddy got you some ice cream.
Oh, my goodness.
That's going to be cold and slippery. Yep.
Look at her.
See, my hands are dirty.
Lick 'em.
Just lick them off. Word, word.
Uh-oh.
Put it on the floor.
Messy.
This is fun. I didn't know you could do this for food.
Yeah,
Oh.
we found out how to play with it now.
There you go.
Found out how to play.
Yeah.
Ice cream, yeah, James.
No, she hadn't found it.
Here, I'm gonna bite this.
That's fun to get that in your hands and just.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's different. Oh, there's something different.
That's cold. Oh. I think I like that.
What is that?
Ooh. Well, that's all right too.
Try that again.
I like that.
Yum.
If you got the cake in your hair. All over the back of it.
Oh no. It's all over the floor. It's all over.
That's pretty good stuff. I'm not going to waste that. I'm not going to throw that on the floor.
So I'm having a hard time getting
Call
that
over
right.
and clean up.
Y'all are too intense for the girl. I'm going to eat the cake and ice cream.
You like
hurting with your fingers though.
Mm. You do it, girl. It's good.
You made up your mind yet? Hmm?
I kinda like this. It's hard to
She's
get,
just
but
serious. So serious getting that ice cream.
Mm.
He's serious.
They're all
Get away from her.
There is a big bite.